Okay, so we're gonna start on our Christmas inspired slime. So first, you're gonna add Clear Dawn. Okay, so next we're gonna add 5 ounces of water. Next, we're gonna add glue. Alright, so next we're gonna add 2 drops of red food coloring. Next, we're gonna add 3 spoons of baking soda. It's pretty already. I like the red. So we're gonna add 2 pinches of this red flakes. Next, we're gonna add this white glitter. So we're gonna add 1 spoon of this silver glitter. So next we're gonna add this silver confetti. Next, we're gonna add these red beads. 1 spoon of red. Next, we're gonna add these 2 tablespoons of these. Okay, so now I added the watermelon, I'm going to start stirring. Now it's time for the activator. So we're gonna put 3 drops of this watermelon fragrance. It smells so good. More activator. Okay, so now we're gonna start to knead. So this smells wonderful. Turned out really pretty. It turned, so we're just gonna keep kneading until it really gets into the slime.